Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how we can enable the Memoji stickers in iPhone. I wonder why you want to enable the Memoji stickers in your iPhone. It is because you find the Memoji stickers very entertaining, and through these stickers you could express your opinion or your feelings, so you want to use them and you don't know how you could get to your keyboard. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instruction in the description so you can check that as well. So first I'll show you how our keyboard looks without Memoji stickers. So for that we have to go and open the keyboard anywhere. It could be your messages or wherever you want to send the emojis. First we have to open that message or that section where we could write a message, and we'll see how our Memoji stickers looks if we have enabled it, and if we have not enabled it then how our keyboard looks. So here you can see first we have to click on the emoji section, and you have enabled emojis, then these will appear. Here we have the emoji videos but we don't have the Memoji stickers. That means these are disabled. So for that you have to go to the settings so that we could enable Memoji stickers. Once you get into the settings you could see we have a lot of options. You just have to scroll down and there you will see an option which is general, which is on the top of this section, this current section. As you can see, you just have to select this first option which is general. Once you tap on the general you will again see a lot of different options. So now what you have to do is you just have to scroll down the screen a bit, and there you will see this option keyboard. So you just have to simply tap on it and then keyboard settings will open, and from there we will see how we can enable the Memoji stickers. So now what you have to do is you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and there you will see the last option which is Memoji stickers. As you can see right now it is disabled. That means we cannot use the Memoji stickers. So if you click on it, it will get enabled and we will get Memojis to our keyboard. Now we have to go to another place or maybe message or wherever you want to type a message. So for that I'm going into the notes where I'll show you how easily we can use the Memoji stickers. So now just start typing and you have to click on this emoji icon. This one, just simply click on it, and here you can see on the left side we have all the Memoji stickers. If you want to use any one of these you just have to simply click on it, or you can use three dots and you will get even more Memoji stickers. So whatever you like in any one of these you just have to simply tap on it and it will be pasted. Again, if you want to disable it or enable it you have to go to the settings. After, you have to click on general, which is this option, and then you have to scroll down and click on keyboard. Then keyboard options will pop up, and then you have to go down to the screen and there you will see Memoji stickers. If you disable it then all the Memoji stickers will be gone from your keyboard and you will no longer be able to send more emoji stickers. So that's how you can enable or disable the Memoji stickers in your iPhone. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enable the Memoji stickers in your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.